Hello friends, Valerie here with another stitch tutorial for the Florida road trip mystery knit along. This one is for my leg 7, which is the gator teeth. And here you can see we're using all 3 colors in this leg, and we have beads. So lots of fun to be had here. Let me grab the pattern and show you how the chart looks. So once again, the chart is 2 pages that can be taped together to give you the full breadth of the chart. The way this works, because this space here might be a little confusing, we're going to continue with those central decreases that we started in the beaded divider. And so every time we decrease, we lose a few stitches here. So in the end, this actually works like so, but to write it out flat and make it easy to follow, it ends up with those gaps. So the chart shows you what you're doing with all of the different colors, and basically the only thing I'm going to show you here is the 2 double decreases that are worked in this round. Most of this is done with knits, purls, and like slip, slip, knit, and knit 2 together. But when we get to the point of the gator teeth, we have a double decrease here and here. And that is a different double decrease from the one that we're using along the center of the work. So let's take a look. I have worked over to the point of the first triangle, and we're gonna do a yarn over, and this is a slip 1, and we slipped that knitwise, knit 2 together, and pass the slip stitch over. This is the same, this is one of the decreases that we used in the botanical garden clue. If you did that one, that should be familiar to you. The main reason I wanted to show it to you was to show how that is different. That took the stitch line that was coming up here on the right and put it on top of the other 2 stitches for the decrease. Let me see. And now we're getting to our center stitch. Let me get the stitch marker out of the way. We're getting to that center stitch, and in this case, we're going to slip 2 together knitwise, and then knit 1 and pass the 2 slipped stitches over, and that takes the stitch that was from the center and brings it forward and puts the side stitches to the back. Okay, so if we look at the 2 different decreases, slipping 1, knitting 2 together, takes that center stitch and pushes it back and brings the edge stitches forward. Whereas here, slipping 2 together, knitting 1, and passing the slip stitches over brings the center stitch forward and gives us that nice line. So I just wanted to make sure you were aware of the differences that were happening there, and the fact that it was 2 different decreases. This is one of our triangles again, so we're going to slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, and finish out the row.